All right, welcome to billing part one. So the first thing, what we need to do is we have our folders, obviously, um, for our draws. So our draw folder, we make sure to have a draw folder for the current week or current 2 weeks um, for each project we have active. For instance, right now, we have a lot of projects on the boards. So as these emails come in, some of them could be just emails, which all need to be uploaded, or what we're doing is we're taking a photo of the receipt or invoice on site and directly uploading it into the Google Drive folder for that specific draw week. Now, we need to reconcile everything on email as well. Email, fax, wherever those receipts and invoices are coming in from, we need to make sure it does get into that Google Drive folder, and that is the final resting place for all invoices and receipts before they get shared again. So we have to consolidate all information within the drive. Now, where's the drive? This is the drive. So we get a Google Drive. We make sure to have a folder that's available. Okay, available and ready for it. For instance, this is Davis Court. We have the construction. I keep everything in the construction folder. And then, of course, I have the draw folders. So this is the compilation of all the draw folders. You have draw 1, which was March 1st through the 14th. You have draw 2, which was the 14th through the 31st, and so on and so forth. Now, currently, I'm loading for the draw 8, which is May 9th on. So let's go in here, and let's go to the Gmail, and I'll show you how we do it. So I just got an email today from me, Home Depot, boom. And it's for $32.17. It's a laser measure, $32.17. So I'm going to go ahead and download it right to the drive. Save it to drive. I'm going to make sure and download it to the correct project, which in this case was 66 Davis Court. I'm going to do, I'm sorry, I have to go back one. Back up. We have two Davis Courts, the original and the new one. So Todd's Davis Court. And then we go into construction. And then we go into our draw, right? Todd's draw folders. And then I'm going to go to the most recent draw folder, which is May 9th through the 22nd. I'm not going to put it in pictures, right? It's a billing. So I'm going to put it right into the draw. Now, I upload pictures for every draw as well, pictures and video, to keep all the investors and everybody apprised of what's going on in the project. So there'll be a compilation of pictures and receipts and invoices coming in. I like to coordinate them and organize them respectively. So now here we go. Todd Davis Court, right? Construction. Let's see if it's in there. Todd's draw folder. And then the most recent draw folder, which today is, it fits into the May 9th through the 22nd. And then there it is. I'm going to click it open. I'm going to confirm. Okay, it's $32.17. Now I need to rename it. So I'm going to rename it here, $32.17. Right? Laser measure. And click. Now I have it, $32.17. Laser measure, what is it, where does it go? You don't know. So we'll just wait and leave it for miscellaneous. Sometimes it'll be very specific. It'll make a statement. Other times it won't. Let's go back to the mail. Okay. Now that one's processed, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and I'm going to delete it. I'm going to delete it because I've gotten it saved. Delete. Now I'm going to go to the next one. My next bill here, lumber takeoff, Rob invoice due. I'm going to do this receipt here. So here's an electronic receipt from Home Depot. So we don't have any information on it other than It's a recall amount, $34. Job name, 1550, crested butt. So this is classic, right? What job do we have named crested butt? We don't have any jobs named crested butt. All we have is we have a 1550, and this is how bad it gets with a lot of people in the business. Nobody's paying attention. So how am I going to figure out where it goes? I'm going to do this. We have a 1550 crest view, so that's where it's going to go. 1550 crest view. That's exactly where it's going to go. So I have a customer agreement. I'll click on that. There's the total. It's for oil rub bronze, sealant, and sample green. So I know what that is. It's paint, right? It goes under paint. So I'm going to close that out. I'm going to go ahead and download it, save that to Drive. This receipt goes with it. I'm just going to take it all, save it all to Drive. And then I only have this one that has the 1550 crest view, or the digits in it. I don't have a 1550 crested butt, but I do have a crest view, so I'm going to assume that's the correct place to put it. Double click there. I'm going to put it in the correct billing. It's billing for May, right? Because it's currently May 21st, so I'm going to put it in the May folder, and then I'm going to move it. Okay, now that one's moved in there. Now I can go in, title it accordingly, but that's how we update all of our emails, invoices, and receipts. I hope this has been informative, and then of course I'll erase this one, and we'll see you on the next one. Get out there, stay organized.